How to see profit on Kraken. Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can see profit in Kraken. So in order to see profit in Kraken, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So in order to do this procedure, you typically need to navigate to the trading or portfolio section. So to see the profit on Kraken, you typically need to navigate to the trade or portfolio section, depending on whether you want to view the profit from active trade or your overall profit. Here's the general steps. So first thing, you have to log in, and then you need to navigate to a trade or a portfolio. And if you're looking for active traders, then you need to locate the specific trade you want to check the profit for. Otherwise, you can also look for profit or loss column or section which will display the profit or loss of each trade. And if you want to see your overall profit, and you should find a summary of your holding and the current value as well. You can also look for the profit or loss indicators, or that shows the overall performance of your portfolio as well. And apart from it, you can also have access to additional tools or a board of analyzing your trading performances and profit. In this way, you can see profit on Kraken. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.